Today I got a new TV mount, as you can see, and this is very similar to the first one I installed on the other 60-inch TV. This is going to go on a 65-inch TV for somebody else, and as you can see, the box is actually 17.5 inches long. I thought it was going to be a little bigger because obviously the TV is bigger, but as you can see on the picture here, this one, it's similar to the first one I got. It has a big bracket on the back, but it doesn't have one big bracket on the front. And the reason for that is because this one has two arms on the top and the bottom, one going this way and one going that way, and it uses the hook type of brackets, which means, you know, you just put the hook or this long brackets on the TV, and then you just hook it up, and then you lock it from the bottom. The reason I went with this one is because I actually we got the one from Harbor Freight. Unfortunately, that one does not use the hook type of mechanism that this one or these use, and it makes for a very tough time trying to put that together because there's so many pieces. It just uses screws here, and everywhere. On the back, the only thing holding the TV are three little studs. And although it kind of holds, or it does hold, but I just didn't like it, so I decided to just go ahead and purchase a different one. I thought it was going to be a little wider, but it's not. It's wider from the front with the way these are mounted. So I'm going to show you that in a minute, but I kind of wanted to explain why I chose this particular model or this type